What's good, boss gang? So I'm here making some birthday cake lip scrubs. If you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. So first things first, you guys, I'm gonna take some sugar and I'm gonna pour it in my bowl like so. Then I'm going to take my oils and add it to the sugar. All of the oils that I'm using are edible. Right here I'm using grapeseed oil and I'm going to also use coconut oil. Then what you want to do is just stir everything very good, just to make sure that it's good and incorporated. If you feel like you need more oil, just go ahead and add that, which is what I'm doing here. So right here, you guys, I am adding my flavoring oil, which is the cake batter flavoring. I got this off of Amazon. So now all I'm gonna do is just separate the sugar mixture, because I am doing two different colors, one pink and one blue. So I'm gonna separate it so that I can add the mica color to each one. So now for the good part, I'm gonna go ahead and add the sprinkles, and these sprinkles are edible, so you don't have to worry about if they get in your mouth that, you know, they will harm you or anything like that. So the last thing that we want to do is just go ahead and add your sugar lip scrubs to your containers, and you're all done. This is a new channel that I did start, so this of course is my first video. So if you guys like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video. And I do look forward to making more videos for you guys, more business entrepreneurial videos, as well as clothing DIYs. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned. Some good stuff coming. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I do look forward to you guys tuning in into the next one.